Now, a lot of news flow around Paytm, and especially as PhonePe gears up for a D-Street debut, will we see a fintech face-off in the offing? PhonePe, which is targeting a valuation of around $15 billion, may well aid a re-rating for Paytm, with the company seeing valuation catch up and good earnings boosting sentiment. I'm going across to Sharad to explain why we may see a re-rating in Paytm because of the possibility of a new entrant.
Yes, exactly. And of course, investors might remember this jingle of Paytm Karo. Maybe this might be valid now. For the 2 sessions which we have been observing the stock, it has been closing on the day's high level for the last 2 trading sessions. So we dig a little bit and there is a trigger for the re-rating coming in. There's a valuation catch-up to PhonePe that's going to be there. I'll be explaining you the maths also behind it. RBI's approval is expected for their wallet business, and this was also covered in the Khabar segment by Somit. The third one is the delivery-based buying has started. The accumulation has started in the last 2 trading sessions. As per my calls with the brokers, they have suggested that more buying is expected to come in the coming days. Apart from this, also showing a good strength near the 200 DMA levels as well. That's the bounce happening. So technically, fundamentally, there are important positions looking for re-rating for Paytm as well. But the Q3 con call was something very much important. Of course, the Q3 numbers were very strong. The Q4 also, the commentary is coming good. But the promoter, Vijay Shekhar Sharma, he had stated important points, and that is the revenue profit that's going to keep getting momentum going ahead. Also, looking at the second point which he had mentioned in the con call is the PDIF initiative. That impact will be offsetted by high margin products going ahead, and there was a big downtick in the fall. And remember, he had stated this Paytm wallet will be back, and now if the RBI approval comes in, we can see a good up move. And also he's more sure to focus on the core business model. That's something, the commentary coming in, and a huge upside left for merchant business. So these 5 points was very much important in the con call, and that's a very important revision for you. But remember the valuations, that's what the street is looking like. PhonePe versus Paytm. Current valuations, we converted in dollars, it's roughly $8.5 to $9.5 billion. Expectation was on the higher side, but the monthly active users, of course, PhonePe is having more. But remember, Paytm has a different business model as compared to PhonePe. Other important trigger is the EBITDA. Paytm is EBITDA positive, PhonePe is EBITDA negative. And the key differentiator is they are a leader in the UPI space in terms of volume as well as value, but there is a diversification at play for Paytm as well. But they are going head to head, and the street is expecting there might be a valuation catch up for Paytm when it comes to PhonePe.